Before streaming, before iPods, there was a revolution in personal audio that nobody saw coming. Music was mostly a shared, public experience or confined to your living room stereo. Enter Akio Morita, Sony's co-founder, tired of bulky tape players on his business trips. He simply told his engineers, make it smaller and playback only. Initially, many were skeptical. A portable cassette player without a recording function? Who would buy that? But Morita, with his vision of bringing music directly into people's lives, pressed on. The first model, released in Japan in 1979 as the Walkman, quickly gained traction. When it hit international markets in 1980, often with those distinctive lightweight orange foam headphones, it sparked a global phenomenon. The Walkman didn't just play music, it changed society. Suddenly, public spaces became private sanctuaries. Joggers had their soundtracks, commuters their escape. It created Walkman culture, a silent revolution where everyone had their own personal bubble of sound. This unlikely, playback-only device became a defining symbol of 80s independence. It transformed how we consume music, proving that sometimes the simplest ideas make the biggest impact. The revolution wasn't just technological, it was deeply personal. What started as one man's frustration with heavy equipment became a cultural phenomenon. The Sony Walkman proved that innovation often comes from the most unexpected places, and sometimes the most unlikely hits create the most lasting impact.